Let's solve this quiz. What are the modifiers not used for? Setting the access to certain function, validating input parameters, replacement for function, protecting against certain types of attacks. Uh, I think this is the correct answer. It is a modifier not used for. Restrict is validating inputs and protecting against certain types of attacks. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic, which is events. Events allow contract to perform logging on Ethereum blockchain. Logs for a given contract can be passed later to perform updates on front-end interface. For example, they are commonly used to allow front-end interface to listen for specific events and update the user interface, or used as a cheap form of storage. So basically, events are used to tell the front-end application that uh, these function has performed and it is returning these values. So we can just get these values from smart contract and then uh, show on a front end. It's just like a logging of an event. So what are event used for? Logging to the blockchain, create custom data type, function into a certain interval, logging to a blockchain. So let's just copy it and paste it here. Create a new contract, web dash events that as well. Just paste it here and just deploy it. Check it. Okay, so it's basically here it is. You can see the event logs is sending message dot sender, means the address, the one who is calling this function, and the event detail, someone called test. So we can create event using this syntax and then emit it by using the syntax. We can log anything that we want that is important for our smart contract to show in the front end, so we can log it and just return it. Now let's move on to next section, which is constructor. A constructor is an optional function that is executed when the contract is first deployed. You can also pass argument to the constructor. If you remember, we actually use constructor in the freshman track cryptocurrency and NFT tutorials. In the freshman track, we have used it by passing the name uh, of the currency, and also in the NFT tutorial. So this function will set immediately when the contract is deployed. So is construction optional? Yes, it is true. So if we write something in it, it will going to set the value once when the contract is deployed. Let's paste it here and create a new contract. Name it web dash constructor.sol. Now just paste it here and just deploy it to see. Here it is. Sorry, we haven't said anything. Hello. Let's deploy it and see. Here it is. You can see there. The better example of this where we can use it. Here it is. We are using in this modifier example where we can set the owner of this contract inside the constructor, because it's called when we are deploying it, so it sets the owner of the contract in this variable that we can use later. Okay, now let's move on to the next topic, which is inheritance.